Step 1, Pranamasana, prayer pose. Stand at the edge of your mat, keep your feet together and balance your weight equally on both the feet. Expand your chest and relax your shoulder. As you breathe in, lift both arms up from the sides, and as you exhale, bring your palms together in front of the chest in prayer position. Step 2, Hasta Uttanasana, raised arms pose. Breathing in, lift the arms up and back. Keep the biceps close to the ears. In this pose, the effort is to stretch the whole body up from the heels to the tips of the fingers. Step 3, Hasta Padasana, standing forward bend. Breathing out, bend forward from the waist, keeping the spine erect. As you exhale completely, bring the hands down to the floor besides the feet. Step 4, Ashwasanchalanasana, equestrian pose. Breathing in, push your right leg back as far back as possible. Bring the right knee to the floor and look up. Step 5, Dandasana, stick pose. As you breathe in, take the left leg back and bring the whole body in a straight line. Step 6, Ashtanga Namaskara, salute with 8 parts or points. Gently bring your knees down to the floor and exhale. Take the hips back slightly, slide forward, rest your chest and chin on the floor. Raise your posterior a little bit. The two hands, 2 feet, 2 knees, chest and chin parts of the body should touch the floor. Step 7, Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Slide forward and raise the chest up into the Cobra pose. You may keep your elbows bent in this pose with the shoulders away from the ears. Look up at the ceiling. Step 8, Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog pose. Breathing out, lift the hips and tailbone up to bring the body into an inverted V pose. Step 9, Ashwasanchalanasana, equestrian pose. Breathing in, bring the right foot forward in between the two hands. The left knee goes down on the floor. Press the hips down and look up. Step 10, Hasta Padasana, standing forward bend. Breathing out, bring the left foot forward, keeping the palms on the floor. You may bend the knees if necessary. Step 11, Hasta Uttanasana, raised arms pose. Breathing in, roll the spine up, raise the hands up and bend backward a little bit, pushing the hips slightly outward. Step 12, Pranamasana, prayer pose. As you exhale, first straighten the body, then bring the arms down. Relax in this position and observe the sensations in your body. This completes one set of Surya Namaskar. Complete the round by repeating the steps, only this time start with taking the left foot behind in step number 4 and bring the right foot forward in step number 10. Once done, you would have completed one round of Surya Namaskar.